a bitch rocks. Okay, should not that. Out loud! I'm always sorry, guys. Why? Why fans? Why? My fans are gonna be disliking all my videos. I don't care about subscribers. Ah. Bro, what? It's backflip. Ah! Ow! I'm doing this challenge. You know what challenges is? Or I mean, not jumping. Yeah, you know that? Know that? If I fell, you don't have. If you don't have to subscribe, but if I complete, you should subscribe. Wait, I should. Yeah, a double thing. I feel like this is cheating, but it's not, bro. How am I not high enough? Wait, I think I'm high enough. 3, 2. Ah, no! Did that count? Did that count? Okay. But if I did it one more time, this is my last chance. You can do it, Sab. My mind is like that. Okay, I'm set. I just yoinked a pillow. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Fuck you, that's something, son! Let's go!
Huwag ka nang pukulit. Huwag ka nang pukulit, hype ka. Ayusin mo yan. Ayusin mo yan ngayon. Ayusin mo yan ngayon. Paano ka mag-ayos sa ano mo? Kama. Nuruan kita kung paano mag-ayos sa kama, di ba? Di dyan lahat. Matutumba yan.
Saan? 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 Ito?
Mag-ayos ka, ha?
Unan mo to.
Unan mo to. Hindi yan unan ko. Unan ka ando doon. Ay, ba't nandiyan yung unan ko? Ano mo yun? Ano yung pinakaayaw ko?